Now, imagine a 6-year-old girl undergoing a traditional chemotherapy treatment for bone cancer. It's considered to be one of the most painful cancer of all. The little girl cries every night and suffering. One day, her doctor carries out an experimental drug therapy that slowed down and even eliminated the cancer in her bones. This is all thanks to medical animal testing. Now, according to California biomedical research, monkeys share over 99% of DNA with humans, and mice share over 98% of genes with humans. This is a human ear cartilage grown into the mice. It might seem inhumane, but it has actually made groundbreaking progress in the field of stem cell research. Now, according to FDA government, a lot of our daily products have to be tested first before made legal in the general public to make sure they're safe. Food, medicine, household products, cleaning supplies have to be determined the toxicity levels for humans. Scientists and doctors also use animals in medical research to determine how the human body works. This helps huge future generations in diagnosing and treating terrible diseases. Animal research has, in the past, contributed to medical advances in breast cancer, um, malaria, and also helped out development of pacemakers in the heart. According to the American Association for Laboratory Animal Science, animal testing and vaccination actually save millions of animals per year from animal-related diseases such as rabies, tetanus, leukemia, and many more. Animal testing works to keep animal testing from becoming obsolete in the general public. There can be a educational campaign for the benefits of animal testing. Now, recently there are powerful new drugs to combat cancer, such as Herceptin for breast cancer that were developed after research on mice. Vaccines for polio and cervical cancer were developed and tested on animals. And according to animaltestingprocon.org, researchers in Seattle actually used electronic brain implant to enable the monkey to move its paralyzed limbs, a discovery that has potential to allow severely disabled people to regain movement. A lot of these medical researchers in animal testing are not crazy scalpel wielding lunatics. These are just some of the negative stereotypes that comes with animal testing. A lot of these researchers are in the line of work because they want to further medical research. They are compassionate and carry out their work with great caution and consideration to minimize animal suffering. Third point is animal research is highly regulated. There are laws in place to protect animals from mistreatment. All of the experiments must be approved by a committee and must have a veterinarian on duty to ensure proper treatment. A friend of mine is named Allison, suffers from type 1 diabetic. That means that insulin treatments are essential to keeping her alive. If discovery of insulin was not made in the 1960s, thousands of people would have died from not able to control their blood sugar levels. Now, there are so many incurable diseases out there. Imagine a world where there are no sickness afflicting human beings and treatments are cost effective and affordable. In a tragic case of Daniel James in the United Kingdom, he committed suicide after becoming paralyzed in a rugby accident. Imagine this is a world for Daniel where individuals like him can walk again because of successes in neurological animal testing. There are many essential chemicals in our daily lives that needs to be tested before giving out to the general public in the United States. In order to improve our way of life, animal testing need to be conducted to ensure the safe toxicity levels for humans. For example, mosquito repellents help protect people in around the world from malaria and other dangerous diseases. Must undergo toxicological testing that involves animals. Many animals die each year from diseases such as rabies and tetanus, and animal research will benefit millions of animals in the future and potentially save their lives. There's also many cases of animal research saving animals from extinction by curing the animals that are near extinction of diseases that are killing them. To ensure that animal testing is a function of our society, we must keep the general public informed of the overwhelming benefits of animal testing. So tell all your friends and family about the need of animal testing. Dispel any negative and untrue stereotypes of animal testing. And third, write to your local politicians in your districts about not defunding essential funds for animal testing in your district. Thank you.